welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert an object into an array. Let's take one sample array. Let's take a sample object. Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert one object into an array. Let's take one object. Here I am using ES6 syntax. Let object1 equal to, you can name whatever you want. Name object1 equal to name David and age 26. So let's convert this object into an array. We can convert the object into an array using object.entries. Object.entries of, you have to mention the object name which you want to convert into an array. So our object name is object1. Let console.log off. Here I have used JSON tool. You can use it to experiment on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You don't need to install any IDE in your system. You can directly visit the link. I have placed this link in the description. Please check it out. Now clear the console, place the cursor here, press enter. See. Let me show you the object here, object1. Clear the console, keep the cursor here. Yes. See, we had this object age and name David, age 26. We have converted this object which is in curly braces. See, we have converted this into an array. See, you can see the brackets. So this is how you can use object.entries to convert an object into an array. Thanks for watching my video.